Today we're going to stretch it out and write our math sentence. I'm so proud of all the work that you guys have been putting in this week. Keep it up. We're halfway there. Today is Wednesday, and we are going to continue rolling with word problems. Our week I can statement is I can use cubes to help solve word problems. Today we're going to focus on another portion of our addition. Repeat after me. I can write number sentences with 2 add-ins to add within 20. I know you guys have heard me say a lot of times we need to write our number sentences, but today we're going to break down what a number sentence is. So in our definition box, we're going to have a few words. But during this week, we have already defined a lot of math words, and you're going to see our word wall in just a second. But today we're going to focus on the following math words. We're going to have in our definition box, number sentence, we're going to have in our definition box addition sign, equal sign, and last, add-ins. So when you think of a number sentence, how will we define a number sentence? Okay, so a number sentence needs to have numbers. What else does a number sentence needs to have? It needs to have a sign. And the last thing that usually gives us the answer, an equal sign. So a number sentence is a sentence with numbers, signs. So a number sentence is a sentence with numbers and signs, whether that's addition signs, subtraction signs, or equal signs. Well, what is an addition sign? Can you explain what an addition sign looks like? Kind of looks like a T or a cross. And what does that addition sign let me know? That we're putting 2 numbers together. So addition sign is what we use. We use it when we add. And it brings 2 numbers together. What is my equal sign? My equal sign lets me know what those 2 numbers are when they're together. So it's usually lets me know the total. Lets me know the total. Now, what are the add-ins? Let me give you an example. 4 plus 3 equals 7. This I will call my whole or my total. I know we say that part plus part equals whole, but we can also call these the add-ins. So what do you think add-ins means? It's the numbers we put together. The numbers we put together. Our definition boxes. Yesterday, we used the strategy using manipulatives to represent our numbers so that we can solve our word problems. Today, what we're going to be focusing in on is writing a number sentence. And we already defined a number sentence as a sentence that has numbers and signs. Well, we know that in our I can statement, the word that we have up there is add. So if we're using adding, then we also know that we're going to use which sign? Yes, our addition sign. We're going to recap and go over our word problem today. I'm going to put it up on the board. Give me 1 second. So today, the problem that we're working with is the following. There were 8 cats singing in the alley. 9 more cats came. How many cats are singing in the alley now? How many more cats are singing in the alley now? Well, our first strategy, and let's remember the strategy is the way we solve a problem, is our cube strategy. So first we use cubes. C stands for, yes, circle the key numbers. Which numbers here are my key numbers? Awesome. 8 and 9. I can check that off. Next in cubes is the letter U. U stands for underline the question. So I'm going to find my question mark and see if it's asking me something to verify. How many cats are singing now? Well, that lets me know that we're asking something. Next is, yes, box in the math words. There were 8 cats singing in the alley. No math words there. 9 more cats came. How many cats are singing now? So our only math word today is the word more. I boxed that in. Now I'm moving on to my E, which is to evaluate. So I'm going to look at this. I see 8 and 9. But what am I doing with 8 and 9? More lets me know that we are going to, let me hear you say it, scream it, whisper it. Yes, we are going to add. And I also know that the second strategy that I'm using today is writing a number sentence. So let me keep that in mind. And the last thing we're going to do is solve or check. So I finished my first strategy, which was cubes. Now I'm going to move on to my second strategy. And my second strategy is using or writing a number sentence with 2 add-ins. Do I have 2 numbers here? Yes, I do. Do I know which sign I'm going to be using? Yes, I do. So now let's solve this. It says there were 8 cats. So I'll start off with 8. More lets me know that the sign that we're going to use is subtraction. Multiplication. We haven't even learned that yet. Oh, we're going to use addition. So 8 plus, now I need a second add-in. Where am I going to get that second add-in from? Here? Oh, this isn't part of our word problem. Oh, the second number that we circled. Yes, 8 plus 9. And then we learned a brand new word today in our definition box. We have number sentence, addition sign, and, oh yes, equal sign. So I'm going to put my equal sign there. Now, on Monday and Tuesday, we learned 2 different strategies. We learned drawing a picture or using manipulatives. We learned. So today we will be drawing a picture to help us solve. Well, when I draw a picture, it means that I'm drawing something to represent the numbers. So I'm going to draw my counters. How many counters am I going to draw first? If you said 8, kiss your brain. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many will I draw here? If you said 9, kiss your brain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the last thing that I need to do is put all of these numbers together, because my equal sign lets me know that whatever I'm putting here is going to be the total or the whole of these 2 numbers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So my answer is 17. That's how many cats are in the alley now. When you go back to work on your paper, you are going to focus on using cubes first and then writing a number sentence. Your number sentence should have two addends. It should have the total or the whole, and it needs to have an addition sign and an equal sign. Notice that my addition sign goes between the two addends, not my equal sign. My addition sign goes there because the addition sign lets me know what I'm putting together, and the equal sign lets me know how much those two numbers are worth. You're going to crush it today just like you guys have been doing all week. I will see you tomorrow for our math lesson.